Daddy!
Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing this morning?
Look at him.
Wow, you have a new soldier. Split soldier.
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm so excited on the weekend. Okay, so guys, we're going to Texas Chainsaw Massacre today. So I'm so excited because I've been watching that since I was like 10 years old, I think. 10?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm so young before. I was watching that.
It's a restaurant, a hotel in Kingland, Texas, bought the original house. And they're using the house, they redid it, they moved it to Kingland. And they are using it as their restaurant. We're gonna go have lunch there, about an hour and a half away. I would imagine it's a regular restaurant, but we'll see when we get there.
Yeah.
See how good the food is.
He's having breakfast. Oh, why you're hiding it there?
They can't see you.
Oh, they can. Oh, it's in your mouth. You're talking. It's in your mouth. And there you go. That's his food. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you the bank here, because in the Philippines it's very different here. Let's see. In the Philippines, there's a lot of people on the line going to get money to the ATM machine.
Here's the deal. She wanted to show that the difference in the ATMs between the U.S. and the Philippines. Basically, if you look up there right now, there's one guy standing there. We pulled up here to the bank. I had to come in and get some money, and basically there will be huge periods of time where nobody uses the ATM at all. If they do start using the ATM, there'll only be 1 to maybe 3 people in line waiting. That's it. Very fast. Very few people use the ATM. In the back, you can just drive up, go pick up your money and go.
In the Philippines, I don't see any like that, ATM like that at the back.
Look at this right here. I buy it and it goes in my mouth.
Here in the U.S., almost all banks have ATMs, both either in the front or inside, and then as well a drive-up ATM. So it just makes it easy.
Houses, that's really, what's that? Scary.
Old Texas.
Yeah. Texas house. Nice.
Yeah, they're older Texas houses.
Texas Massacre Town.
It's getting dark, guys. It's getting scary.
I see it.
You see that road? It's getting scary. Huh? Huh? Oh, okay. There you go.
Grapes for wine.
Wow.
Texas winery.
Hey.
It looks like-
What?
Bucket.
Look!
What?
Far away.
Far away. Hey, you guys. Bye-bye. Guys, so as you see, we're here now, and you can see that house there. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm here. I'm just seeing this on the TV. We're here.
That looks like our window.
You think?
Yep.
Yes. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen.
Nice.
I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple, pineapple.
Okay, Mark is taking order. Is gonna look.
Apple pineapple.
Yeah. Here. Oh, French fries. There's a lot of French fries. So this is mine. Oh my gosh. Hi. It's okay.
She does YouTube vlogs.
Hi. Okay. Hi guys. So we're done eating now. So just not yet. But he just had the French fries. The food is. Alright, I'm gonna tell you this on the truck. And we still have some foods here. I'll show you how much we ate.
And I'm forced to do that.
Yeah, alright. I'll show you. That's my food. And this is all flour. Here, all flour. That's fish. Yeah, okay. He can eat it.
Tell you in the truck.
Huh?
I'll tell you in the truck.
Yep.
We draw a heart.
Wow, yep. Hmm?
And I draw these pictures.
Yeah.
When you draw those pictures,
Yep.
I said, I'm almost finished.
Yeah.
And I said, I'm not. You said, I'm not.
Okay.
Oh, I know it.
Yep. Boy. Oh, we're here. There you go. Okay.
Look.
Oh, this is the one. Yeah, that's the one Mama watched. Yep. Yep. So here you go, guys.
That one. That
Here.
It is the same.
Mm-hmm.
There was that too. Like that's the one carrying him.
Yeah. Side house.
Sorry.
It's fine.
Mom, can I have
Okay.
Whoa.
That's the house. We finally find the house and we went inside. Well, it's not that much interesting inside. It's same. This is the entire house. That is the hotel that bought this house.
Hey guys, you're in Texas. You're a country style restaurant. You're asked specifically, how is the fish and chips and the chicken fried steak? Oh, good. Okay. Lived in Texas most of my life. Most being 95% of them, are good. They're not difficult to make. The French fries was the best thing on that table. They were overcooked badly. They were cooked twice at 2 different times, it looks like, and cooked badly. The fish, fish, whether you believe it or not, is not supposed to have a pungent odor to it unless it's something like sardines or anchovies. This was fried tilapia. Nasty. It was more batter than fish, and the batter was soggy, and the fish stunk. It was stinky bad. The chicken fried steak was
Gross.
2/3 steak, maybe inside. Very, very, very tough. Too many tendons. They didn't try to break it down at all. And also stinky.
Yeah.
The good thing is Jen got to come see the house that the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie was made, and that's cool. You know, man, the food wasn't good at all.
And it's expensive.
And it's expensive. And I apologize for that. But
it's your fault.
I'm not coming back here again.
Yep.
I don't care.
Why?
Did you like the food?
Yes.
You know why? You had French fries.
Yes.
Anyway, as far as this restaurant, no. My suggestion is don't.
That's the experience under food, guys.
So
I
how
don't
did you like it, Mama?
I don't really like it. I wanting to finish it because the cost of it, but Mark won't let me because it's really not good. I can't chew it, you know, and the smell and there's no the taste of it. It's not really interesting. I don't know. It doesn't.
Taste of the
taste
gravy was flat.
Yeah, I only ate like 3 slices. I'm trying to.
3 pieces.
Yeah, I'm trying, but no, I can't. Alright guys, so that's it. We shared on you the food that was inside. They serve big amount of food, but you're not gonna like it. Okay, well, up to you guys if you want to try, but we give you some of it. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Later again.